Hello guys, in today's video we are going to be answering the question if top tier trader prop firm is actually a scam or a legit prop firm. Now this is going to be an updated review because I already did a review on this prop firm where I listed both the pros and the cons and all the features, both the pricing and all you need to know about top tier trader. Now I'm just going to give you guys an updated review, and one of the major questions that I've been getting so far is to confirm if top tier trader prop firm has actually been paying out and is still paying out since last year that I did a review on them up till now. You know what most of these prop firms do is that once they come out, they'll pay out for some certain time and then they'll stop paying out and they'll scam people of their money. I believe that is one of the reasons why I'm getting questions such as if top tier trader still pays out its members or if they have stopped paying out just like some other prop firms in the past that have done the same. Well, like I said, by the end of this video we're going to discover if top tier trader is actually scam or legit and if it is worth your time or your money. Now in this video I'm going to share with you guys my personal experience, and also I'm going to share with you guys the pros and the cons which you should expect as a trader before going ahead to get an account with top tier trader. Also, at the end of this video, we're going to confirm if top tier trader pays out or not. Yes, I'm going to be showing you guys my recent payout that I kept record of, which I believe would help you to make an informed decision on whether you should go ahead and get an account with top tier trader or not. Meanwhile, if at the end of this video and you find this video educating and interesting enough, I will highly appreciate if you gave me a thumbs up to this video, as that will actually encourage me to create more content like this one. Also, if you feel encouraged enough to go ahead and sign up with top tier trader, I'm going to be dropping the link down in the description section of this video, and that link is also going to serve you as a discount and a coupon link, which means that you're going to be getting a discount when you purchase a trading account. I also use the coupon link as well, and that saved me a lot of money when I was trying to get funded. Also, feel free to drop any questions that you might have pertaining to this platform down in the comment section below. I'll be more than happy and willing to respond to all your questions. Now let's get straight into the first pro that I have on my list here, which are the things that will probably encourage you and the advantages that you should expect when trading with top tier trader. And the first that I have on my list here is the ease of use. Yes, the simplicity of this platform is top notch. Top tier trader actually gives its members a very simple and friendly user interface, and trust me guys, a platform that has a very simple user interface always has an edge over the ones that are complicated. And this is one of the reasons why I'm going to give top tier trader a big thumbs up, because their platform is very easy to navigate. Even as a beginner, you wouldn't find it difficult to find your way around this platform. And the second pro that I have on my list here, which is something that I find very interesting, and compared to many other prop firms, these guys are one of the best in this aspect, is the fact that they have one of the fastest payout systems. If your payout is due and you schedule for a payout, you are getting it in less than 24 hours. Yes, I've tested this out, and trust me guys, they actually pay out in less than 24 hours. Also, another thing I'm going to give them a thumbs up on is the fact that their customer service support is very responsive. I mean, customer service support is another aspect where many people don't really take note of, but it's another aspect of a platform that gives that platform an edge over many other platforms, because if you have a problem or you have an issue, you can easily contact the customer service support and you are rest assured that they are going to respond to you ASAP. I've tested it out myself and I confirm that their customer service support is very responsive and helpful. Now, another thing that I'm going to mention here, which is very encouraging about this platform, is the fact that they have one of the biggest and largest profit split share in the industry. Yes, they're giving you up to 80 to 90% profit share. That is absolutely a lion's share of your profits, and trust me guys, many other prop firms don't give you up to that amount. So their profit share is actually another aspect where I'm going to give them a big thumbs up on, because you are getting the lion's share of your profits. Now these are the few major pros that I believe you should know before going ahead to sign up with this platform. Like I said, I already did a few review on this platform, which I'm going to tag the previous video that I did on this particular video. In case if you want to watch the full review on top tier trader, you can go ahead and watch it, but I'm just going to give you guys a brief explanation and the major things that you need to know before you go ahead and sign up with this platform. Like I always say, you should always consider both the pros and the cons. Don't just make your decision based off the pros alone, because some platforms might actually favor some people and it wouldn't favor you, and that also depends on your trading pattern and strategy. Some platforms might not suit your trading strategies unlike some other platforms, so ensure to consider both the pros and the cons before you go ahead and sign up with any trading platform out there. As for the first con that I have on my list here, which is something that you or I might find a little bit discouraging trading with top tier trader, and the first on my list here is the fact that they are strict in terms of their risk management policies. Of course, many other prop firms are also strict in terms of their risk management policies. And now, what do I mean by they are strict? For example, the one phase challenge has a 3% daily and 6% trailing drawdown limits. And this might be restrictive for traders who have a more aggressive approach to the market. I don't know if you understand what I'm saying here now, because they are strict in the sense that if you do not adhere to these rules, you're definitely going to get your account banned, or you are going to face a penalty, and there is no two ways about it. That's what I mean by they are strict. But at the same time, they are fair, because this is the standard firm policies, and it's very, very normal with many other firms out there. They are strict and fair at the same time. So I don't really see this as a problem, except for those who are not able to manage their risk and control their emotions while trading. And now the second and the last point that I'm going to state here as the con, which is something that you all should be wary of, and I always like to mention this in most of my review videos, is the fact that there's always a lot of fake and similar websites out there. Trust me guys, there is no escaping that. There's always a lot of fake and similar websites out there, as well as similar social media handles, Instagram, Facebook, X. There's always a lot of fake and similar ones out there, and most of these scammers, what they do is that they create these platforms just to scam people of their money. I've been a victim of that too, and which is why I always mention that, just to alert people to stay safe. Now, to be on the safer side, just simply go to your browser and type in www.toptiertrader.com, or to be on the more safer side, like I mentioned earlier, I'm going to be dropping the link down in the description section of this video, and that is also going to be a coupon link, which means that you're getting a discount on your purchase. So I would recommend you use the coupon link instead, and that is going to be more beneficial to you, just like it was for me. Now that I've given you guys both the pros and the cons, which are the few things that I believe you should know before going ahead to trade with or buy an account with TopTier Trader, now let me show you guys my payouts which I've received and I kept record of. Yes, I already had in mind that I was going to do this video, which is the reason why I started keeping record of the few months that I've been trading with TopTier Trader, just to show you guys as an evidence here that TopTier Trader still pays out, and if it is a scam or not. Now let's look back at the previous payout that I've received that I shared with you guys last year on TopTier Trader. Now these are some of the payouts that I've received from TopTier Trader, which I shared with you guys on my previous video. As you can see, check out the year as well and the amount. You can see clearly that this was last year. Now this is the one that I kept record of recently, which I had in mind that I was going to share with you guys. As for the first payout that I kept record of, I was able to withdraw a sum of $4,000 that you are seeing up here on the screen. And for the second payout, I was able to withdraw $3,668 that you're seeing up here on the screen as well. Of course, as you should know, I always like to stall my withdrawal till it gets big enough for me to withdraw. Now that I've shown you guys the payouts, I've shown you guys the pros and the cons and everything, which I believe are the necessary things that you need to know before you go ahead and sign up with any prop firm out there. Now I believe you have the right information in your hands to be able to make an informed decision on whether this platform is actually a scam or a legit prop firm. Now personally for me, TopTier Trader still pays out and it's legit. TopTier Trader still pays me out even up till now. Like I showed you guys, I've shown you guys the previous video that I did, which was last year, and the payouts that I received. And now these recent payouts are very, very recent. So last month and last 2 months, as you can see on the screen. Therefore, it is a yes for me for TopTier Trader. TopTier Trader is not a scam. They are legit and they still pay out. Meanwhile, if you have any questions, like I said, pertaining to this platform, feel free to drop your questions down in the comment section below. I'll definitely be willing to respond to all your questions. Also, I would highly appreciate if you give me a thumbs up to this video, as that is definitely going to encourage me to create more content like this one, and that is going to show me that you actually appreciate what I'm doing here. Meanwhile, do not forget to use the coupon link that I'm going to be dropping down in the description section of this video, as that is going to save you some money. Now, I'm glad you stick around to see the end of this video. Thank you for watching, guys. I'll see you on the next one. Merci.